It's time for me to boost my spice limit. An open bottle of wasabi. Habanero peanut butter. Jalapeno. 5 habaneros. Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Scorpion pepper hot sauce. And 2 red tail scorpion peppers. No reaction. So I went to 7-Eleven and they have this like little gummy bear thing that apparently is the world's hottest gummy bear. It is 9 million times hotter than a jalapeno. It comes out in this like little packaging. So this is it. How can a gummy bear be spicy? What the? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! What the fuck? Yo, the devil's real! The devil's real! Let's test my spice limit. Jalapeno. Takis. Fresno. Cayenne pepper. Wasabi. Flamin' hot Cheeto powder. Sriracha. Fuego Taki Soap. No reaction. World's spiciest ice cream. First is 1.5 cups of milk, 1 1/8 cup of sugar, 3 cups of heavy cream, 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 1 million Scoville unit hot extract, Satan's blood, 2 million Scoville unit extract, Scorpion Carolina Reaper hot sauce. Just turn this on. Okay, so this ice cream ended up taking 24 hours to make. So this is it. This is the world's spiciest ice cream. It looks like lava. I don't know. I feel like this can't be too spicy because it's literally milk. Let's eat something really spicy. Anaheim. Wasabi. Takis. Pineapple nuts. Tabasco sriracha. Hot mustard. Fresno. Cayenne pepper. Takis powder. Pickle juice. No reaction. So I took everything that's really spicy in my pantry and I'm gonna make the world's spiciest smoothie. 2 frozen jalapenos, nitro Takis, normal Takis, 2 ghost peppers, 1 Carolina Reaper, flaming hot Cheetos, sriracha, a little bit of Red's Hot. So this is Satan's blood. It's 800,000 Scoville units. Wasabi, blending time. I feel like I have to drink more of this for me to feel the spice. Okay, so I finished the smoothie, and after you finish that, let me be honest with you. It's okay. It's okay. Oh! Oh! Hottest thing was hottest smoothie, pretty hot. I got all the hottest things from my pantry, and today we're gonna be capping out my spice limit. Mouthwash. Ice water. Red pepper paste. Satan's blood. Purebred Idiot 3.5 million Scoville unit hot sauce. 9 million Mad Dog Plutonium. Leño. Ghost peppers. My last 2 Carolina Reapers. Now, if you can excuse me, I'm about to go make some lava. Nope, don't eat your pizza. Call me crazy, but I want to try it again now that it's cooled off a little bit and it's not just out of the oven. Okay, so I don't know why I thought that was gonna be okay. Okay. No reaction. No reaction. No milk. Okay, so it turns out it's even worse the second time. Wasabi challenge. Unopened wasabi. Sushi paper. Spicy ramen. Jalapeno. Wasabi paper. No reaction. 1 chip challenge it is. Nothing happened. No, nothing happened! So I found this in 7-Eleven and it's called like the 1 chip challenge, and apparently it's like super spicy. It says that you're gonna die, impaired vision, low blow to the gut. Oh my god, this sounds really bad. Okay, so it comes in this like small packaging and it's like literally a black tortilla chip. Okay. Not that bad. Oh my god. Okay, that's half the chip. I do. Oh! Oh! I need water! Why the fuck don't I have anything? Okay, that's what. Fuck! What the fuck is this? I can't fucking breathe. I can't fucking breathe. I can't fucking. Yo, this thing's disgusting. Oh! I'm so sorry, God. 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 My throat hurts. This stupid thing from 7-Eleven is not good. I can't. Hi, can I please get a McFlurry? Oreo McFlurry, please. Sorry, I just had something so spicy. No, just that. Thank you. Okay. I'm literally gonna jump off because I want to cry. I want to die. I have my McFlurry finally. It's about to get real spicy in here. Wasabi. Snow peppers. Carolina Reaper paste. 4 habaneros. Coffee with fat and blood. Ghost pepper chip Carolina Reaper salsa. Ghost pepper nacho cheese dip. Entire bottle of Red Hot. Ah! No reaction, but a piece just got in my eye. New year, new spice limit. Extra hot wasabi piece. Jalapenos. Four habaneros. Raspberry jalapeno on a rice cake. Two ghost peppers. 2 Carolina Reapers. 1 more. 3.5 million Scoville unit extract. No reaction. Maybe a little bit of a reaction. So I found this ghost pepper popcorn. Apparently it is the hottest popcorn in the world. So I'm gonna be eating it right now and see what happens. Not bad at all. This is so good, actually. Or nothing. What the way that come from? Where the fuck did that spice come from? Oh my god, I need Starbucks save! This is gonna be the spiciest video you've ever seen. An open bottle of wasabi. The world's spiciest gummy bears. Pickled habaneros. Jalapenos. Carolina Reaper candied bacon. Chocolate Carolina Reapers. No reaction. I found all the really hot sweet stuff from my pantry and I'm going to be testing my sweet and spicy limit. My old enemy, the world's spiciest gummy bear. scorpion and ghost pepper extract. Candy. Chocolate Carolina Reaper. Jalapenos with raspberry jalapeno jam. Carolina Reaper candy bacon. Carolina Reaper sea salt caramel. No reaction. So I just found this thing called the death nut, and apparently it's the hottest nut I'm ever gonna have. So I'm gonna try to get through all 5 levels. Here's level 1. It's like nuts. 1, 2, level 3, 4, 5. So far, I've had hotter nuts. Okay. Oh, God, that's a nut. Oh, it's in my nose. It's in my fucking brain. I'm never having that again. We haven't done a spicy challenge in a while. Satan's toe. World's spiciest gummy bear. Chai chili. Habanero. Sweet hot pepper. Wasabi. 3.5 million Scoville. Lemon. No reaction. I think it's time we do the blazing challenge. Also, apparently it's gonna be super hot because they brought like ice cream and then milk.
Blazing challenge in the house in the bar. Rami Zayn in the building. Gonna attempt to eat 10 of her blazing wings in under 5 minutes.
You got it, bud.
Savage.
Lick those fingers, lick those fingers.
Shout out to Buffalo Wild Wings. So Dunkin' Donuts just came out with this like donut, and it's called the Ghost Pepper Donut. So I'm gonna try it and see if it's like spicy. I like have to eat it really quickly. It tastes like a normal donut. To be honest, I got 12. Okay, so this is number 4, and I still haven't felt anything. To be honest, they're kind of good. Okay, after you have like 5, it starts to heat up just a little bit. Like I'm sweating. Okay, I should not have had 5 right away. They sneak up on you. They sneak up on you when you have 5. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I got the Charlie drink, but I lost the straw. So girl Charlie, save me right now. I'm good now. I'm good. Time to see which pepper has the best crunch. Jalapeno. Fresno. Habanero. Carolina Reaper. No reaction. So I found these like fried sushi stuffed jalapeno poppers. I'm gonna add some wasabi and see how hot they are. Just a little bit on each one. Oh. That's not fair! Oh, my right in my brain! Oh! Time to test my cold limit. It's time for me to test my spice limit. Red's hot. Jalapeno. Wasabi. 4 Carolina Reapers. Done. Y'all see me test my spice limit, but what about my sour limit? Kick it off with some mouthwash. 2 peeled limes. 2 peeled lemons. Sour Skittles. Extreme Airhead Bites. Lemon. Lime juice. Ice cold Sprite. No reaction. Warhead's Extreme Spray. The bomb hot sauce. 3.5 million Scoville unit hot sauce. Jelly beans. Scorpion pepper. Poppycock. So these all claim to be the world's hottest chocolate. So why don't we eat them all and see if I react? World's hottest white chocolate. World's hottest chocolate. World's hottest milk chocolate. Chocolate bar from no reaction, but I'm about to make some hot chocolate not toilet tonight. Let's test my spice limit again. Fresno pepper. Tacos. Han. Serrano. Habanero sauce. Blue Taki Dust. reaction. So I got more Carolina Reaper tenders from Dave's Hot Chicken, but this time I'm kicking it up a notch. Scorpion pepper hot sauce. One million Scoville unit hot sauce. One million Scoville unit with a ghost pepper. No reaction. Da Bomb hot sauce. Jalapenos. Wasabi. Tahini. Lime juice. 2 habaneros. No reaction.